Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. If you are new here, I'm sorry that your first introduction to me is me looking like this, but today's video is going to be a everyday morning routine for when I'm getting ready for work, because this was actually really requested. I don't know why you guys actually want to see me looking like this, but it was requested, so I'm doing it today for you guys. I am actually literally getting ready for work, so I'm just gonna like go through it. My house is not normally this messy. I am in the process of moving, so please don't judge me. So yeah, get up out of bed, come to the bathroom. I bring my makeup sponge with me. It is generally dirty from the day before, so I bring it to the bathroom and wash it. Then I do my hair, because I look like this. Generally for work, I just do a basic ponytail. So I do my hair, brush my teeth, wash my makeup sponge, get dressed, do my makeup, then I'm out the door. So generally my routine in the morning getting ready for work will take me about 15 to 20 minutes more or less. I need somewhere to put my camera down. Let's do this. Hopefully this doesn't fall. When I normally film, I have my contacts on, but for everyday life, like work and when I'm not filming, I wear my glasses. So putting makeup on is going to be interesting because I forgot where I was going with that. My face is clean, my sponge is washed, my teeth is brushed, I can English. My teeth are brushed. Now I'm gonna go get dressed. Don't mind mess. I'm in the middle of moving. Oh my. Okay, focus. I'm not gonna show you me getting dressed because that would be weird and I don't want to get kicked off YouTube. So I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm dressed, looking a little bit more decent. I'm too much of in a hurry getting ready for work to put my contacts in to film this. So this will be interesting. We shall see how I go. So basically, once I finish with my bathroom routine, I come in here and get dressed, and then I start with my makeup. Very quick, just snappy, on the go. I don't eat breakfast, probably should, but when I get to work, I have coffee anyway. So starting off with my face, I just want to go in with a little bit of my active serum just to sort of smooth everything out. So of course, starting off with some glycerin just to moisturize, hydrate, and prime the skin for the day. I probably should go in with some of my C from a Day serum. This is not a normal part of my routine, but it is in my project pan and I've got to use it up. So I'm just going to apply some of that. And of course I take the skincare down my neck as well because my skin doesn't stop here. And my hands are all sticky, so I'm just going to wash them. Now I'm going to go in with some foundation. This is my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation because I love this one and I have eyes for no other. What I love about this foundation as well is that it blends so quickly into the skin, and when I'm getting ready for work, I always leave myself up to the last minute. I'm the person who will sleep right up until the point that I have to get up. And so the reason why I like using this foundation is because it blends so quickly into the skin. It wastes no time. I'm going in with my L'Oreal shaping stick. I'm just using a brush because it's towards the end. It looks horrible, but that's just because I've been using a brush and it makes it really dirty. But I want to get right into the end of this, make the most of the product that's still in the tube. Because it's such a good product and it's expensive. I don't want to waste any. So I just go in with my shaping stick to give my face a little bit of shape and dimension and that my face doesn't look like a moon. Why did my ring light die? My ring light just died. Shoot. Alright, my ring light just died. I'm sorry if this lighting is horrible. I don't know what's going on with it. I can't afford a new one right now. I'm so sorry that the lighting in this video is shit. But I'm working with what I've got here. And then I set all of that down with some translucent powder because I want it to stay all day and not go anywhere. I don't really do anything for the eyes. I didn't even wear mascara. If I have a little bit of extra time, I might even go with some eyeliner, but I'm not even gonna bother with that today because this is my general work makeup routine. So I'm going in with some of my Maybelline City Bronzer just to warm up the face and give myself a little bit more of a lifelike appearance. Now, if my neck doesn't match the rest of my body, I don't even worry about it because my apron comes up to here anyway. And I'm going in with a bit of blush. This one is the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade Peach Me Up. So I'm just gonna peach me up. And besides lipstick, that's probably the extent of my morning work makeup routine. I go in with a bit of blush everywhere just to give myself a little bit of color, and because I don't do anything for the eyes, including mascara, probably should put a little bit more extra something else on the face. Now if I have a little bit of extra time after setting my face, that's a very harsh spray, that one. I go in with a little bit of highlight. This one is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive, and it's also in my project pan, so I'm trying to use it up. I love this highlight though, it's so pretty. And if I go a little bit overboard with a highlight, like maybe I might have done a little bit today, I just go in with my blush brush with no extra blush on it, and then I just blend out the edges there. I just take a bit of black eyeliner and redefine my beauty spot. Then I go in with some lipstick. I have been using the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Atlantic City for years and years and years, and it is also in my project pan. I've probably gone through about 5 or 6 tubes of this, and I like that lipstick. I know I look good in it. I enjoy using it. I always get compliments at work whenever I wear it, so that's what I'm going to be wearing today. But first I'm going to line my lips with the Rimmel London Creamy Lip Liner. If I'm squinting, it's because I can't see anything because I don't have my glasses on. I don't have contacts on. But I think I did an alright job with that. So yeah, that's basically the extent of my morning makeup routine for work. Glasses, I do a spritz of perfume depending on what sort of fragrance I'm feeling like for the day. I think today is going to be Jimmy Choo. Just a bit of spritz of that on the neck, and with all of that said and done, I am off out the door and on my way to work. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize sincerely for the poor quality lighting in here, but my ring light literally just died. I don't know what's wrong with it. I hope it starts working again because I really cannot afford another ring light right now. So wish me luck that I get it working again. It's just another morning in my life. I wasn't gonna actually film it, but some of you guys requested a morning makeup routine for when I go to work. Quick, easy, snappy, very easy. I don't even do anything for the eyes. I don't even do mascara, eyeliner, nothing, no eyeshadow, nothing. Just foundation, bronzer, blush, highlight, lipstick. That's it. Powder and powder. So yeah, I don't go all out for work. I mean, obviously it's work. I just want to look professional and present well and look good enough for the general public to see. So that's my morning routine and makeup routine for when I go to work. So now I'm going to work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you did enjoy the video, then you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And if you haven't, why not? The Kikay family are wonderful people. We are a great community here. Everybody is sweet, kind, and loving. And if you hit the subscribe button, you will be part of the Kikay family. I do videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice. If you hit the subscribe button and if you hit the notification bell, then you will see all the videos that I put out every single week, because I do 3 videos every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't know where I'm gonna set my camera, but I'll figure this out. And my battery's about to die. But this is gonna be interesting without my glasses because I can't see anything. And so the foundation that I like using, and so I like using this foundation because this lighting though. I hope my ring light comes back to life. With no extra brush